Hi guys, and welcome to 5-Minute Fridays. So what are 5-Minute Fridays? Every Friday I'm gonna put out a small video, something short, 5 minutes or less, with some makeup tips, things that might make your makeup routine just a little easier. And today I'm just going to be talking about just small things that you can do on days like today. For example, it's super cold. You're probably like, whatever, I don't feel like putting anything on my face. But just to spruce things up a little bit more, you can use some toned down makeup to make your day just a little better. Okay, so what I like to do, I have a child. I don't know if you see her in the background. She's gonna come in the video. Anyways, and I have to do things like really quickly. So on a day that I can't beat my face to the nines, I'll turn to other makeup. And one of the things that I like to put on my face for sure is some sort of like illuminator, right? And recently I received this. I can't remember from where. I don't know if you can see it here, but this is a Derma E Sunkissed Alba Radiant Glow Face Oil. And I like to put face oil on my face, especially one that's glowing, just because it adds an extra oomph. Like today I'm feeling a little down, like you know, I just don't feel the inner glow. Make some. So I'll just put some of this on my face, and ideally I like to put this over my damp face, but for the purposes of the video I'm gonna do it on a dry face. But you'll see in my YouTube videos I also like to put oil on my face. It's just a great moisturizer, and this one has glow, which is even better. Alright, so we're at our 2-minute mark. So you put some face glow on your face. You're like, okay, not too bad. Once it settles in, I think you'll see a little bit of a difference. Alright, that's one thing that you can do. Another thing that you can do, you should see Aria in the background. Another thing that you can do is put on tinted moisturizer. You do not have to put on full-on foundation in order to feel great. Just put on a little bit of tinted moisturizer and you'll be fine. So my go-to every day, I teach, I don't have times early in the morning, I'm exhausted, I have a newborn or an infant in the house, so I go to my Bare Minerals. Bare Minerals is like the absolute best. Some Bare Minerals. Complexion Rescue, just keep it moving. I love it. It's quick. I don't even think you have to shake it, but I shake it just because. So you put it on your fingertips, you warm it up with your fingertips, you put it on your face. I use the color Spice. I think that that's still a little bit too light for me, but I don't care. I just want something on my face. Right? And you just put it on your face. Put it on your forehead. All over, all over. And the best thing about this, you don't have to put on any you don't have to use any tools like a beauty blender or whatever. You're just putting something on your face so that you don't look dead. You don't want to look dead. Oh, you see Aria making a appearance back there? She's coming. She's coming, y'all. Okay. So I'm like, oh, okay, not too bad. Still kind of looking the same, but not really. I like feel like inner me feels like, yes, I don't look dead. And this is great. Another thing you can do after you do some complexion rescue, you do some moisturizer, you're fine. Okay, let's move on to eyebrows. My eyebrows are not done. I don't have time to do my eyebrows. So I'll just pick something quick, like some Precision, some Benefit. What is this? The My Brow Pencil. Can you see it? Just use My Brow Pencil. You'll just comb your eyebrows up. This seems to be a thing now where people are doing like bushy eyebrows. Sometimes I'm in the mood, sometimes I'm not. Or I'll just pencil in a few hairs just so that they don't look so ridiculous. Right? Just pencil in a few hairs. Yep. Like Aria said. And that just cleans up your face a little bit more. I don't know if you can see the difference, but you see? Now, I mean, obviously you're going to do a better job than this, but This is like a natural brow. Right? And then, I mean, I can go on for days. Like, the perfectionist in me is like, what the hell? But anyways, basically, you do your eyebrow and look how different it is. Like, you can tell the difference between how more lined my face looks here on this side versus on the other side, right? I just look a little bit more put together. That's another thing that you can basically do. So those are 3 things. It's 5 minutes, or well, it's 6 minutes now, but 5 minutes or less. Something that you can do to make your face just look a little bit more put together. If you want to stop there, then I'll just stop there, and this is what my go-to. If you don't have this, go to your local beauty supply store and get yourself something like this for your lips. It is only $1.09 or 8 cents if you're in New York City with the tax. And you just smack this on like so. Moisturize your lips. You're done. Put on a little bit of earrings. Put on your head scarf. That's it. Done. You're good for the day. You look a little bit, you know, this is like, ooh, I'm going, you know, Erykah Badu-ish. This is like, oh, okay, well, I just want to spruce it up just a little bit more. And I'm fine with both of these looks. So these are just a few things that you can do in 5 minutes or less in order to make your face just look a little bit more alive, not so dead on this dry ass winter. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.